Hi, Dr. Meyer. Do adjustments hurt?
Adjustments should never be painful. There are going to be situations when a patient comes in and they're in a lot of discomfort. Maybe they're very swollen. Maybe they've just had an injury. And so the adjustment might not be as comfortable as we would like. After a couple of days or a couple of weeks of treatment, it's going to be much more comfortable. But by and large, no, adjustments should never hurt. Let's begin your journey to a pain-free life together.